CEL002 is a T-Mobile Gateway error indicating problems with cellular registration, IMS connectivity, or SIM card authentication. This prevents your gateway from connecting to the T-Mobile network. It's often triggered by weak signal strength below -90 dBm, antenna misalignment, environmental factors, or hardware glitches. This error means the gateway can't properly authenticate with T-Mobile's 5G, 4G LTE towers. Modern gateways feature enhanced diagnostics via the T-Mobile Internet app, including real-time troubleshooting and smart recovery firmware, which automatically attempts fixes. First, ensure your gateway has a strong signal by placing it near a window. Use the T-Mobile Internet app's Network Optimizer feature to realign antennas automatically. Reboot the gateway to refresh its connection. If using an older model with a physical SIM, reseat it, ensuring clean contacts. If the issue persists, try swapping to a physical SIM if you're using an eSIM or vice versa. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Note this erases all settings. Keep your gateway's firmware updated for best performance. If problems continue, contact T-Mobile support for assistance, especially if you are in a rural area or suspect a hardware issue. Persistent cases may require hardware checks or network upgrades.